Well, hello there, ladies and germs. Elton McFall here. Well, you know, I had to make a video of this one because it used to be a very common truck, but here this is the Rust Belt. I'm in St. Bruno, just south of the island of Montreal, and I had to make a video of this because, again, it's just, you know, there's some of these are left, but they're usually rusted out, you know. And this one is like, man, it was really well taken care of. Oh, there's that Pontiac I filmed years ago. Beautiful Pontiac. And what year is it? I think it's an 88, 87, 86, 85, 83. 83 was the first year. And what's, oh man, let's look at this baby. Ooh, daddy, I'm painting one of those right now. Is this original? That's not original. No, that's not original, but I like how this is the Iron Duke. That was the nickname for this engine. I was really expecting to see the 2.8 liter V6 in this, and I'm surprised to see this, the 4-cylinder Iron Duke, which were actually pretty good engines, supposedly. I had a friend, I remember he had one in his 6000, and it's weird because it's a deluxe model, it looks like, or somebody repainted it to look like a deluxe model, you know. And oddly, even weirdly enough, I never remember seeing many of these wheels actually. So I don't know. I don't know what the story with this truck is. It's interesting. It's an interesting truck. Look at the rubber, how nice it is. It probably is an original. And judging by the interior, wow, very, very, very original. Does it have a digital readout for the odometer? I think it does. So if that's the case, I think that's an 87 or 88 maybe, or 89, because I think it was after 89 they changed the grill itself, not the housing, not the frame. Look at this. Hey, this I'm going to get to this in a moment. That's friggin' rare. But this is neat, you know. Again, this truck shows my age. You know, I'm 46 years old, and man, these trucks were all over the place. And now you try to find one that's decent, and it's not a rust bucket. Shit, it even has, look, it even has the optional chrome bumper with the checker plate pattern on it. That's really cool. I was looking to see if there was a dealer sticker, but yeah, I think that this thing was, I don't know, I think it was restored. I'm not 100%, but it looks to me like it was restored, and restored to correct factory original, not because a lot of these things are really fun to modify. I even filmed one of these in my neighborhood last year before, and it was lowered. It was like almost to the ground, you know. I mean, look at the seat alone, is fantastic. I think Derek there at Vice Grip Garage will get a kick out of this if he ever sees it, but a man like that is pretty damn busy. Got your AM/FM radio. Look at that Beaumont. Yeah, ma'am. Canadian hot rod. Oh man, am I ever glad I came down here, man. Schlepped by the metro. I took a bus here from the metro station. That's a nice way to finish, don't you think? There's my friend's Rambler, given to Miss Canada New in 1966 as a gift, as a contest. Look, there's a guy over here, he's tripping out on it more than me.
Iron Duke 5-speed.
I know, moi je pensais que c'était pour être un 2.8 V6, je m'attendais pas que ça soit un 4-cylinder.
C'est incroyable, là.
Yeah, that's...
Il n'y en a plus de ça parce que justement, les mondes les jetaient.
I know, that's it. And wait, it's a box on wheels.
C'est incroyable les chars qui sortent, mais ça, c'est mon coup de cœur.
That's weird,
Parce que c'est comme... Tout le monde s'en crisse de ces chars-là.
See, the guy next to me is saying it was his favorite. It's his favorite out of all the cars here, of everything here. Hey, mister. Ouais, toi? Ça va bien, Claude? Yeah. And yeah, it's true. It's amazing how like he said, you know, they were everywhere. People junked these. They were not worth nothing.
Damn about these cars.
Yeah, but now they're over 30 years old. Hey, that's the thing.
I'm 32.
Wow, there you go.
I know a lot.
Almost as old as this.
When I was a young fella, I used to see them on all corners and shit. They were already beaten and run down.
Thanks for watching, man. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.